you to businesses, but in fact, this is not necessarily the only one. Yeah, you can find others. Yeah, but I choose this because some reason. Yeah, I'm going to talk about later. Yeah, and I choose Odoo. Odoo is one of open source ERP. My colleagues choose Next ERP. Some of them choose Open ERP and others. Yeah, but what I'm going to show you is Odoo. Okay, Odoo basically is community and enterprise. Yeah, Odoo start with community in 2005. Yeah, but in 2015, then it becomes enterprise. So what's the difference? Community is, I write down here. Yeah, Odoo community allows business to download it directly from Odoo official website without paying any license fees. However, users are advised to have in-house technology team that capable of implementing and maintaining ERP system. Yeah, or seek additional support from Odoo official partner. So once again, for community, the software is free, but not in full functionality. Yeah, we call it in Odoo as a developer, which is community, and functional, which is enterprise. Yeah, because if you go for community, you have to develop the software to be full functionalized and customized with your business. And it needs capabilities. Yeah, it needs to learn. You need to learn a program. Yeah, to develop this software. And enterprise is commercial. Yeah, enterprise is commercial. If you use enterprise, then you have to pay. Yeah, for Odoo. Yeah, for Odoo. However, it is much easier because it's in full functionality. And what we are going to use today, and what we are going to show you, and I'm going to show you, is the enterprise version. Yeah, and for education, it is free, and this is why we can use this one. Okay, it has 17 offices. Yeah, and 2,800 plus employee, more than 2,800 employees, and then user more than 1 million. Yeah, and then more than 70, I think almost all the country in the world using this one, and it has many apps. Yeah, 39,000, more than 39,000. Why the app is a lot of app? Because community. Yeah, they support and making app and provide for commercial use. Yeah, and for different country, probably there will be different apps. For example, in Indonesia, for payment, yeah, we have OVO, GoPay. It's going to be a different apps. Okay, and you see here on my left, on your left, it is interface of Android, and on your right, this is interface of Odoo. So it is user friendly, and what we are going to use is integrated, complete, and flexible, and all of them online. So if we use this, you don't need to download Odoo, but you can go directly and go online. Yeah. Okay, and this is some video. Yeah, I think in TikTok and YouTube you can just find this video. Yeah, and it is comparing Odoo with the the commercial top branded ERP. Okay, first is comparing to SAP. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me check whether I already turn on the sound or not. Okay, I'm going to back later. I stop my presentation here. Let me share again and let me check the sound. Okay. Right. And here we go. Yeah, it is compared with SAP. Okay. No sound?
Let's simply log in. Who will be the fastest? Odoo wins.
Yeah, this is time for login. Yeah, it is faster. And now this is the top brand at the very top. Yeah, the number one Microsoft Dynamic. Yeah, this is number one ERP in the world.
From quotation to invoice, who will be the fastest? Odoo wins.
Okay, yeah. So in terms of login, in terms of making voice, Odoo is faster. Yeah, but why Odoo is outbid all of them? Because the video made by Odoo. Yeah, this is part of their promotion. Okay, and the functionality I think is different. Yeah, Odoo it's more suitable for medium and then small companies, but Microsoft can be the bigger one, more bigger companies. Yeah, and yeah, it's really depends. Yeah, it really depends, but it's relative actually. Yeah, it's relative. But in terms of learning, I think it's easier using Odoo. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to show you the website later on. Yeah, but the Odoo library is quite complete. Yeah, we have tutorial and documentation. Yeah, this is the sources for learning Odoo. Yeah, this is tutorial courses. Yeah, and you will have courses. Yeah, step by step. For example, how to operate point of sales. You will learn step by step. Some quizzes, video, and then after that you can practice that. Yeah, and yeah, this is tutorial is quite easy because it's based on video. Yeah, and I think anybody can learn from this. If you want to see the complete explanation, actually you can go to Odoo documentation. Yeah, if you are a developer, you can go to developer documentation, which is you develop the system to be full functionality. Yeah, it's more in community Odoo. Or user. If you are user, then you tend to be a functional or enterprise Odoo user. Okay, how to install training center, white papers, and also legal that you can find in documentation. Right, now I'd like to, before we start, yeah, I'd like to bring you to, okay. Yeah, the website, yeah, I already prepared for the website. Yeah, this is the website. Can you see the website? Okay. Yes, let's go to the website. Yeah, to Odoo. Yeah. Yes, this is the homepage for the website. Yeah, if you want to learn, just use this. Okay, I set this one in Bahasa Indonesia, and we can set the language into English. Yeah, and there are some options actually. Yeah, I don't know, it's maybe Korean, China, yeah, I don't know, 16, yeah, and there are some, yeah, several languages, Turkey, Vietnam, okay, and I would like to set into English. Yeah, now it's become English, yeah. You can start now for free. However, if you're not in education system, there are some tips actually. Your database, your practice going to lose in less than 3 hours or less than 2 weeks. Yeah, so we need to put it into education partnership or education version of Odoo. If you do education version, the database is going to be maintained until 2 years. Previously only 10 months, but now 2 years. I think it is more than enough to practice Odoo. Okay, and this is one, yeah, tutorial documentation, yeah, and forum, yeah, this is also the service. Yeah, if you like to become partner, yeah, or you go to education, yeah, you can just click it. Yeah, for example, like this, yeah. And even you can visit, yeah, you can schedule and visit to the Odoo. And right now, this is easy and fun to learn. We are going to use Scale Up. Yeah, Scale Up is a game designed to learn Odoo easily. Okay, let's just open this. Okay, yes, Scale Up is a card game. Yeah, so it's card. If you are in education version, you can ask to the card, but if not, you can print yourself. Yeah, I'm going to open this, and it's in some language. Yeah, France, Netherlands, English. Yeah, I choose English, and you have a PDF, and the PDF can be printed as a big card. Yeah, a big card. Okay, so this is easy. Yeah, if you're going to learn Odoo, just come to Odoo, yeah, and then you start for free. I'm going to show you later on, but now I'm going to back to give a short glance about Scale Up. Yeah, Scale Up. So Scale Up is a game. Yeah, it is a game. It have real use cases, 7 real use cases. It's a role play and everyday life business cases, and use of a suite of business application. In more detail video, you can watch into this link. Okay, and I'm going to show you a short video about this game, yeah, to learn Odoo.
Today, you're going to be learning the basic concepts of business management without even realizing it. Scale Up, the business game, is a card game where you'll take the leading role of the manager of a modern furniture retailer. Imagine that you are the owner of this company, and you've started everything on your own, and you've hired 3 people to run the business with you. But recently, you've realized that all the administrative tasks and paperwork just take up too much of your time. It's annoying and even complicated sometimes. So you've decided to set up a business management software, Odoo, to help you organize and manage your tasks. While playing, you'll discover how 90% of companies run their business. Let's get started. Each business case is split into several cards. Each card has to be played in 3 steps. Let's start with the buy and sell business case. On the front of the cards, you'll see a conversation between you and your colleague. Your employee gives you relevant information with important details or actions highlighted in green bold that needs to be reflected on odoo.com. Secondly, on your odoo.com database, you'll search for ways on how you can respond to the situation explained by the employee. On Odoo, you'll always find in each app at the top purple bar, which is the main application menu and its submenus. Green buttons indicate the next action process. a status bar that shows you where you are in the process, and the main screen with the information you're working on. The card displays each click or action you had to do on your Odoo database to solve the case. If you see that you did all as shown on the back without looking at it, well done. You win 2 points. On the other hand, if you did miss something and needed the answers, you only get 1 point. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Simply follow the answers on the back and make the few changes needed in order to be ready for the next card. When you've solved all of the cards of the business case, you can count the total number of your points and see who did the best. There are 7 business cases in total. Just pick the next case you'd like to discover. Good luck with your new business adventure.
Okay, that's the game to learn Odoo, yeah. Okay, and yeah, you can play online, yeah, because we are using the enterprise, but this is education version and it is online once again, so you can access anywhere, yeah. You read, you play online and compare the result, yeah. So the card, yeah, the case is on the front and the solution on the back, yeah. If you can, you know, play without seeing the back of the card, then you got 2 points, yeah. But if you see the back, you got 1 point. Okay, that's the idea, right? Okay, and this is the story, yeah. It's a role play, yeah. You are the CEO, yeah, and you have to handle your business because your manager quit 3 months ago, yeah, with $50,000 saving. You are ready to start new adventure, launch furniture business. Okay, month later, yeah, your company, my office in corporation is incorporated, yeah. The next step is recruit a great team, yeah. You got 3 person under you: Sophia as a sales manager, Mark as purchase manager, and Paul as a secretary. Okay, and Paul have find an affordable office location, and it's time to start doing business, yeah. Purchase your first product, market your company, sell those product, and hopefully make a profit, yeah. And the first game is buy and sell, yeah. Buy and sell is easy business process. This is actually a trading business, yeah. You buy and you sell. And after that, you're going to have a store in which you have more inventory and retail. And then it is increased into manufacture. You try to assemble your product, your furniture, yeah. And we just take that, you know, manufacture and planning for the inventory. Okay, and even you can put module for quality, yeah, yes, quality control, as a quality control, okay, and etc., yeah. And this is the rules, yeah, and this is the point, okay. And this is the whole case, yeah. So like previously I mentioned, buy and sell basically you can use for a trading company, in which you buy and you sell and run an inventory. And run a store is a retail store, yeah, because you handle, you know, a point of sales in this retail store and you have a cashier. It's a bit different from buy and sell only. And then it is sell services, yeah. It is the case that you help you understand a service company, yeah, a services company, how you charge your professional staff and how you deal and make agreement with client. That's part of the sell services. And manufacture is a bit more complex, yeah, comparing to buy and sell, because you start to produce a product, yeah. You buy you have a inventory, raw inventory, and then you turn it into a product. And like previously I mentioned, you can put a quality control for your manufacture, and then use barcode and then sell online. It helps you to have an online website. If you are not familiar with online or even making an online website, it helps you to have your own website, and you can sell it online. You can upload and it's going to be online. And then create your apps. It helps you to create Android apps that you can use for transaction. So it's interesting. Okay, and let's get started with Odoo. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to go to the I like to go to the website. Okay, and this is the things. You start with, okay, I've got the scale up. This is the card here. Okay, yes, and we start using this. We should set up the system first, or we call it set up the database, and then this is the first card. And it is the back of the card, how to create what is how to create a product here, and this is the way it is in the back card actually. Okay, let's start this one. We start by clicking the start now, and it's free. Okay, let us do this. If you like, you can follow me. We start with this. Okay, in the past we are limited only to application. Sorry, 4 application maximum. And if we want to, this is module. This is module. And if we choose that module, it's going to connect it with other module. Okay, and I think for sales and buy, you can see here what we need. Let me make it bigger. You need sales, accounting, inventory, and purchase. 4 modules. Okay, sales in here. Okay, and then purchase, inventory, and accounting. So we got 4. Okay. All right, and then this is by default is 50-day free trial. But if you put something, I'm going to tell you later, it's going to be prevent or maintain until 24 months. 2 years. More than enough. Previously only 10 months, but now 24 months. It's more than enough. Okay, then just click continue. And then you put your first name, your last name, and your email. Your email is important because you're going to activate this database using your email. And set your company. And this is the trick. This is the things. If you put A2, for example, A2 Epics, put A2 with TAS, A2 TAS and the name of your company. Your database here going to maintain until 24 months, 2 years. But if you're not putting A2 in front of the name of your company, it is considered as a free trial that's only maintained by A2 only 15 days. But if you choose this one, it's going to maintain until 24 months. Okay, and you can choose. For example, I choose Indonesia, but the language is English, and the company's size is less than 5 in this scheme. But in practice later on, you can choose maybe more than 250. But for this game, for scale up, you just need less than 5 employee. Okay, and if you're finished with this, don't forget, this is very important. Odoo test your name, your business. Yeah, the name supposed to be start with Odoo test. Okay, in this regard, then your database going to be maintained until 24 months. Okay, and then just start now. Okay, and then interest, yeah, if you're a student, you're just student. I'm a teacher and I can choose teacher, yeah. Okay, and stop. Yes, and now we have, yeah, this is based on our module previously, yeah, 4 modules. Okay. Yeah, in a minute. It's still in process, you see here. Okay, what you need after this, yeah, you need to activate this module, this database, yeah, we call it database in one case, yeah. Yeah, pending activation. This is because you have not activated yet, yeah, activated yet. So we need to go to our email, yeah, and then we activate this one, yeah, click to activate. If not, then it is going to maintain only 3 hours, yeah, if not going to maintain only 3 hours. Yes, by default, we choose, by default, we got some additional modules, yeah, like discuss, calendar, knowledge, dashboard, and then sign, yeah, this is for signing, and then employees and project. For example, I don't need this one. I just want to make it simple for my ERP. Okay, then I'm going to, you know, delete knowledge and, for example, knowledge and a project, because I don't need this one. So I go to apps, yeah, it's just like Android, yeah, apps, yeah, App Store, yeah, just go there and you can find the knowledge, yeah, just click it. Okay, and we can uninstall knowledge here. Yes. Okay, and uninstall. Okay, make sure when you uninstall, there is no function that used by this module, yeah. So it's better uninstall at the first use of your module, yeah. That's the way you uninstall. And for example, I need more modules, yeah. I can go again to here. For example, I need CRM. Oh, sorry, this is setting. I need to go back again. Yeah, this is apps. Yeah, I need CRM to maintain my customer. Yes, and I just click it. Okay, and then install. So once again, it's depend on your need. Yeah, it doesn't come up with the complete system, but this is modular. Yeah, you can add, you can put off the module one by one. This is very, very handy, very easy. Yeah. Okay. Where is CRM? Yeah, CRM. This is the new one here. Yeah, I got CRM. Okay, and then if you want to access this one again, yeah, you can choose database. Yeah. However, because you are not activate your database, and when you sign in again, yeah, the company that you just made supposed to be presented here, supposed to be in here, yeah, because you are not activate yet, your database is not here. So you need to go to your email, then click to activate your database. Okay, I think we just activate the database, and we're going back to Odoo and check again our database in here. Yeah, this is my database. Okay, yeah, A2 epics that we just make is in here. Yeah, okay. Now, if you have database like this, it's going to be maintained until 2 years. And then for the first exercise, you can start with scale up. Yeah, how to make a product. Yeah. Okay, we need a product from a vendor called Wood Corner, and they need a photo of lattes. Yeah, and the cost is in here. The cost is 140, but we got discount, yeah, to $100. Yeah, but we have to buy at least 10 days, yeah, and we can sell them at 2020. Yeah, sounds good, and create a product. If you don't know how to create a product, just see this. Yeah, you come to purchase, and then go to product and create, and then you put this number in here. Yeah, okay, let's do. Okay, we go to purchase. Okay, and click product. Product is in here because this is the first time. Yeah, if you already make the product, the list of the product, you can directly go to orders. Yeah, go to product, and then create or making a new product. Okay, and just copy it from here. Yeah, a large dash. Yeah, and go to general information and put the sales price and the costs. Okay, general information. This is the sales price. We can change the currency actually, yeah, but we need to change the on setting, yeah. And this is set by country because I previously choose Indonesia, then it's automatically going to rupiah, yeah, not dollars. And the customer tax is 11%, which is the Indonesian customer price. Okay, but we're going to handle that later on. Just put the number in here, the cost and the sales price. Okay, yeah, if there is no information, you don't need to change. Yeah, just let it be, just let it be. All right, and then any cost between 140 is considered as correct. Yeah, because the accounting valuation depend on the purchase. All right, and then on a purchase, yeah, we write down the quantity and the price. Yeah, okay, 1 is 140, but 10 is $100. Okay, we need to change this, and the vendor is Wood Corner. Okay, just copy this one, and then purchase. Yeah, at the vendor. Yeah, well, from the scale up, yeah, we need to create a product. We need a list first, yeah, and then we start buying the product. Yeah, and based on the list, we can also charge for for the customer. So it's supposed to be sales price and cost price. And then we need to put the quantity and the price. Yeah, so we then we record the price in here, right? And okay, let me repeat once again. Yeah, we need to change part of this in general information. Actually, it's not consumable because this is a test. Yeah, we don't eat test. Yeah, it should be storable product. And then because this is purchase, yeah, we need to invoicing policy is delivered quantities. Yeah, we're going to pay after the delivered quantities. Okay, and then yeah, if you hesitate, you can see again. Yeah, after the general information, we put sales price and cost. Then we go to purchase and we put quantity and price. Okay. Yes, we go to purchase here. Yeah, and don't forget to write down because this is a new vendor for you, Wood Corner. Okay. However, we only find a price here, but not quantity. So we need to click this one. Yeah. Right. And then put a quantity. Yes. In this sense, we got quantity and price. Yeah. So we put the number, the quantity is 10. And then if we buy 10, we got price 100. Yeah. Okay. Quantity 10. Then the price is 100. Okay. Oops. Right. Yes, we got the quantity and the price. And again, the supplier still would, yeah. The supplier will be the list, yeah. If you write down making your list, you will have the option, yeah, which supplier you purchase from which supplier. Okay, and then we put it again. Yeah, this is one. Yeah, if we buy one, it's 140. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, this is 140. Right, then we're done with this. Okay. Yeah, you can put a picture of the product in here if available. If not, just let it be. Okay, so we finished with the first product, yeah, and then this is how to purchase. Yeah, we go to purchase and orders. Yeah, and then go again and again. So I think following this, yeah, following this is easy, and then you can grasp, you know, how to first is put the list of the product or make up the product, and then receive the product, how we receive, and then how we control and bill. Yeah, how we bill the product. We go to accounting and vendor and bill, and then if we sell the product, yeah, we go to sales. Yeah, and then go to the customers, and then we got the quotation, yeah, sent to the customer, because usually customer asking quotation first before they buy our product. Then deliver to customer, yeah, and it's going to go to inventory for delivery. So, and the last is invoice the customer, yeah, invoice, and then record the payment and analyze the profit. Yeah, we can use accounting, reporting, and profit and loss. I'm going back to our Odoo again. Yeah, so firstly, we like previously, yeah, we you know, we make a list and then we purchase. Yeah, once the product come in, yeah, then it's going to be go to inventory. And then if you sell the product, you make selling, yeah. When you send the product, then the inventory is decreased, yeah. And all the activities, purchasing and the inventory and the selling is already recorded in accounting, yeah. So this is the cyclus, yeah. And all of them is connected. Don't worry, all of them is connected, yeah. If you need to assign an employee for a particular job, we can be responsible for that, sign, etc. Yeah, it's all of them is connected. So this is the concept of ERP. I put one more. Yeah, suppose you need to, CRM that related to the sales. Yeah, and you don't know how to use this. You can go back to Odoo here, yeah, and go to tutorial. And we got a lot of tutorial here, yeah, tutorial and also smart class. Tutorial is how do you run in general, but smart class in learning in detail, yeah. Inventory in detail is called smart class inventory, yeah, and other tutorial. You just put the name CRM here. Sorry, CRM. Okay. And you got the tutorial. Oh, where is it? Okay, let me clean the filter first, and then let me change it into English. Okay, because, yeah. Okay, let me check again. Yeah, CRM supposed to be there. Okay, let's see. CRM. Okay, because I got a lot of filter here. Okay. This is no filter, supposed to be no filter. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, or if the filter is not done with the filter, you can open a new tutorial here. Yeah, and then start to find CRM. Okay. Yes, CRM. Right. Okay, we got one. Yes, and we got the tutorial. Yeah, we got the tutorial. First, you need to, this is in bahasa ya. You need to, apply for the course, and all of them is free. Yeah, all of them is free, and you got some videos here. Yeah, how to the basic, the first thing. Yeah, and then the activities. Yeah, and then the sales team and others. Yeah, so hopefully using this you can learn about use CRM module. Okay, and yeah, there are also some cases. Yeah, some cases like business cases like this. It's in particular, this business is in a particular or industry, yeah, like a t-shirt, yeah, electric motorbike, and then this airproof. I think this is like, what is it? I forget, yeah, but this is a drones, yeah, and then Tech Pro in electronic product, yeah, and super logistic. Yeah, this is a case, yeah, and you can learn from this case, yeah, based on the industry or a business case. Okay, and yeah, once again, you can look at all, yeah, even for something new like Internet of Things, yeah, you can learn, yeah, or a particular accounting firm, yeah, it is a new business with a particular business process, yeah, you can go here. Okay, so there are a lot of tutorial and a smart class, and don't worry, you got a lot of resources here to learn module by module. Okay, and once we finish with the database, yeah, I'm going to back to looking at the database. Okay, for example, this is my previous database. Yeah, you can check, and all of them connected. Yeah, yeah, usually accounting is in the last turn. Yeah, this is my previous database. Yeah, and I can go to accounting here. Okay, and actually there are chart of account that we can the configure, yeah, to change the chart of account, because this is by default. Yeah, and we can go to reporting, yeah, seeing the profit and loss, balance sheet, or the cash flow. Okay, and we can also see the ledger, journal and ledgers, and then see by vendors, the bill, and or by customer. Okay, and this is important for comparing with the account payable and account receivable here. Okay, well, this is the glance, the general introduction, explanation, how to use open source ERP. Yeah, and in this case, I use Odoo. Yeah, because this is website. This is handy, yeah, easy, and there are many resources that you can learn independently. Yeah, and also you can cut certification. Yeah, yeah, you can learn from here, and you can pursue the certification. And I think it's good for your portfolio. Yeah, if you apply a job and you got the certification, and I think that that's good. Yeah, because that's an indicator that you understand the ERP. Yeah, so you can go to Odoo certification. Okay, right, so that is Odoo, yeah, and open source ERP, and hopefully you can try it. Yeah, and yeah, we have a freedom. Yeah, you can go based on your individual needs for learning. Now I'm going back to my slide. Yeah, I'm going to go to how audit. Yeah, and how what adaptation we need to audit this environment. Okay, let me open my. Okay, sorry, I need to put this in here. Yes, okay. Before that, you can challenge yourself, yeah, by creating a project, yeah, you purchase or you sales, quotation and invoice, yeah, analyzing the profit and delivering and managing point of sales, yeah. Previously, we don't have point of sales, but you can take the point of sales from the application. Okay, now let's go to the audit. Yeah, yeah, audit is quite different because it has its own application, and internal control is embedded, yeah, in the application. So the approach supposed to be there is going to application control, yeah, looking at the application, yeah. Auditor can check the input control, yeah. Is there any data entry control, system edit, segregation of duties, or transaction of authorization? So this is part when we understand, yeah, we try to test the internal control. because internal control is embedded in the system, then we need to check the system. Okay, and first of all, we need to check the how could the application. Okay, and then processing control. Does it has audit trails, and if it has audit trail, how we can get the audit trail and see the audit trail, and then interface control, yeah, and control total. Yeah, this is for the processing control. And also, first of all, that's supposed to be something to do with access actually. Yeah, user ID, password, yeah, and then data security, network security, security administration, access authorization, and output, also output control. Yeah, we compare the output, yeah, see the reconciliation, the distribution, yeah. This is control, you know, which output supposed to be can be accessed by the person in the individual in our organization. All right, and then yes, auditors should be aware there is a facilities, yeah, to looking at the audit trails by setting, yeah, and then a transaction monitoring as well, and also internal control and approval of workflows, yeah, and then continuous monitoring and analytic. Okay, I'd like to go back to the system again, how we can get transaction data from Odoo. Yeah, let me back to my database first. Okay, basically there are two ways to get the database. First is the data, yeah, the transaction data. You can go to the database, but this is need the next one a skill, yeah. If as an auditor you don't have the capabilities, you can ask the client to provide you with you know, the database, yeah, the database, and you see using tools, yeah, to looking at the database. Yeah, one of them is ACL. I think ACL is quite effective. Okay, and yes, I can go to, for example, sales. Yeah. Okay, and then I can choose. Yeah, if yeah, this is just example. I only have 2 transactions, but if I have 1,000 of transaction, yeah, 100,000 of transactions, just click this. Yeah, just click this. Okay, and then action, and then we export, and we can choose using a format CSV or Excel. Yeah. Okay. Then, and by using this means that we got the data or the whole transaction, yeah, for sales. Okay, and yeah, by default it's going to take everything. Yeah, and you need to, you know, identify which one is key field or which one is not. If once you know a key field, for example, a number, a check number, or a invoice number, there's supposed to be no duplication. You can relate, yeah, this one with the cash payment, for example. Yeah, which payment you can cross using. I'm going to show you. Yeah, but I think not in detail demonstration, but I'm going to show you using ACL. Okay, and if we, yeah, we can see the invoice, for example. Yeah, and we can take the data also from the invoice, and then we can see which invoice already paid and which invoice not paid, and the not paid supposed to be part of the account receivable. Okay, and we can also go to the same thing. Yeah, go to inventory. Yeah, and take the data from the inventory. Okay, which one already, which one is returned, for example. Yeah, means that it's already sold previously, but then going back again to inventory. Yeah, this is inventory in POS, yeah, and this is manufacturing. It's really depend on the company actually, yeah. If this is not a manufacturing company, so we don't use this one. But if it is a manufacturing company, for example, there is a manufacturing process. We need to see, yeah, which one is still in process, which one is already finished with the process, or already finished with manufacturing, yeah. And it's just the same. We can take this using export, and we can save it into Excel or CSV. Okay, and yeah, we can also go to accounting. Yeah, we can see, for example, if you want to see the entries, the sales entries. Yeah, for example, because I already got the entries, we can go to sales entries, and then we cross-check, yeah, the sales, the entries with the data from the sales transaction. For example, we can also take this, and then we can compare, yeah. Or yeah, you can go to balance sheet or a ledger, yeah, and see the sub ledger, yeah. Yeah, but once again, it's depend on you, yeah. Okay, yeah, we can download using this export all. Okay, this is the way, yeah, auditor can get the data. Yeah, by using tools like ACL, actually we can check the whole data. Yeah, however, for like forging, yeah, and etc., it probably we cannot see 100% for forging. Yeah, we take sample and we see. However, is everything is in digital. Yeah, so there is paperless. We need to once again make sure, yeah, and checking all the validation, yeah, all the flow of the document in here, yeah, whether everything already documented or not. Yeah, once it's come into system, actually it's much easier to check. And auditor need to see, is there any transaction that not recorded into system? Yeah, and it's much more difficult, yeah, if there is a fraud, there is something that not recorded into system. But once come into system, especially in ERP, we can check, yeah, how is the transaction coming and who's supposed to be responsible, and why there is a mistake or wrongly recorded. We can check here. Okay, and yeah, I think that's the general idea. Yeah, if we doing audit using Odoo, yeah, first of all, we see the application, and secondly, we understand how to take data. Okay, I'm going to show you using ACL. ACL is freeware, yeah, you can download and you can install, yeah. So if we got, you know, files, yeah, after we download from the let me show you, yeah. I need to, this is Epic, yeah, Epics. I need to giving a new import, yeah, import of data, files, one project. Okay, forget about it, but import, import. Yeah, it's supposed to be in file here. Say project. Okay. Data import. Yes, we're using here. Sorry, because I moved from Arbutus and ACL, so it's a bit confusing for me. Yeah, so we go to this. Yeah, OTBC means you taken directly from the database, but this you already save the file on your hard disk, yeah, or on your memory, yeah. Okay, we take this, yeah. We can take data that already saved, yeah, and already taken from the ERP, yeah, and then we can check this, yeah. For example, data like this, and then we click open, and we define the data. Just click next. This is in Excel file, yeah. Okay, and then we choose one of them because one sheet can only be one paper. Okay, we choose one. Okay, yeah, this is transaction data, and then we name the data. Yes, this is transaction data. Yeah, and then save. Okay, and finish. Okay, just click OK because it's going to the same with the name of the file. Yes, we got this one. Okay. Yeah, yeah, we can check. The first is to verify the validity of the data. Yeah, we use verify. And then we click all because we need to check any records. Yeah. Okay. No data validity error. But previously, because I make this one, yeah, I know there's an error. Yeah. Verify is looking at whether a record is correct. Yeah. For example, this is only for numeric. If you put other than numeric, then this is not valid. Yeah. We need to check this one. Yeah, and I think it's a routine procedure. Yeah, we got validity error detected here. Yeah, and we can see the error. This is the record 13. Yeah, field posted. Yeah, we can check in here. This one. Yeah, 13 posted. Okay. Yes, this is the data, and it's depend on you. Yeah, you can check. Vendor. Invoice number, it is unique, yeah, so it is a key field. If you can compare a data here and in here, we have the same a number on invoice, then we can cross check the data, yeah, which one invoice is paid, which one invoice that not been paid. Yeah. Okay, this is take the data from the transaction. You need to looking at this data and compare to in general, you need to compare to the number or amount that is listed in financial statement. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, I hope give you general idea, and yeah, I do really hope that you can learn by yourself and based on your learning needs, yeah, and this is because limited time, yeah, and actually both of this I use in my class, yeah. This is for auditing, and the other is for business information system and accounting system. Okay, I think that's all.